Step 10 in the home selling process. We are coming into home plate as we speak. Two parts to number 10. First part is the loan and the buyer have to fund this transaction. So in the last step, the buyer signed all the loan documents, everything got sent to the lender. The lender is gonna review everything, and the lender is gonna wire their portion of the proceeds for closing into the escrow company. The buyer is gonna wire their portion of the funds for the closing. Once all of the funds are into the escrow company is gonna release it to be recorded, which means they're gonna take that grant deed that you had notarized earlier in the process, they're gonna take that down to the county, you put a big fat stamp on it. Once that is stamped, they're gonna call us, let us know we are confirmed, recorded, closed, all of those amazing things. So this is the most exciting part of it. A couple things for you to know. The timing between when the loan documents are signed and the loan is funded. Sometimes that could be same day if it's all set up and everybody is on the same page. I've seen a buyer sign the loan documents in the morning, the loan fund in the afternoon, and close that evening. That is in a best case scenario. Traditionally, the buyer is gonna sign loan documents one day, the loan's gonna fund the following business day, and then it's gonna sometimes record that day, sometimes a day later. So this process is usually gonna be anywhere from 1 to 3 days, from signing to funding to closing. So this is the time traditionally when you're moving. So as you're moving out of the home, we wanna make sure that everything is moved out of the home. Every piece of personal property, your couches, your rugs, your trash, we want everything out of the house. And then this is just what I advise. Think about when you bought the home, what condition was it in? Was it something where you walked in and were like, oh, it smells so fresh and so clean and it's perfect? Or did you walk in and there was trash and garbage and all kinds of stuff laying around? If you were on the latter half of that, you probably didn't feel too good about it. And a buyer's not gonna feel too good if you leave it like that for them. So let's make sure we clean this house, we make it look nice. If you need a connection to a cleaning service, we're happy to make that connection for you. Let's have this thing sparkling clean. So when the buyer walks in there, they're excited, they're pumped about their new home. Because the beautiful thing is, it's their home now. You're closed. We did it. We are officially closed. You are getting paid. What's gonna happen from this point is the escrow company is gonna reconcile all the funds the following business day. Then they're going to send those funds out to you. So if you did a check, they'll notify you when the check's ready for pickup. If you did a wire, they'll get that wire out to you and you're gonna get paid. And they will send you a copy of the final closing statement. You're gonna wanna save a copy of that closing statement. If you have an accountant or CPA that you work with, shoot them a copy of it so they have all of that information. Outside of that, you're done. If you still happen to have any utilities on, you could shut those off. You are DUN done. It's all over. So with that said, again, as the owner of the company, my name is Kyle Whissel. I just want to thank you so much for the opportunity to help you, your family. It's been an honor to be a part of this process with you. If there's ever anything that we can do for your friends or family, we'd be honored if we have the opportunity to help them as well. Thank you so much.